Hello everyone, I'm gonna unpack UGREEN printer cable. It's quite standard cable. I'm gonna show you a bit close-ups. Okay, let's open it. First there is a pictorial film what is covering whole package. Let's see what is inside. There is not much inside. There is some paperwork, user instruction. So cable is inside separate bag. Very nice. It feels quite quality cable. I want it very long, so it's 5 meter long cable. Okay, nice. I can make some close-up. Have like golden color looks. There is some markings, cable markings. Yeah, design is quite smooth and beautiful. I like it very much. Bending is very good. So I think it's very good cable. So thank you for watched, and don't forget to like a video.